Hello, Nutan ma'am. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon, Suman. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. You tell me what about you?
Yes, I'm also fit as a fiddle. Thank you so much for asking. So, how's going on your holiday vacations?
It's going really great as both of my sisters they came up here at my home and we spent very great time. And it was really I can say unrivaled experience I had. So I really enjoyed with them.
Yeah, actually, I also saw some picture you post on the YouTube. So, I really feel glad, and at the same time, I was also missing my own sister because still I
Okay.
didn't go my parents' home. So, I was
Mhm.
thinking about, but I don't know when I.
Yeah, this happens. Sometimes out of compulsion and somewhere we are really compelled, out of the responsibilities. So we are not able to, go to our parents' home. It happens because of some responsibilities.
Yes, right. Absolutely right. Actually, my son went to Nani house almost 1 month complete. So,
Okay, it has been 1 month.
So I don't
Okay.
feel good without him. I
Oh,
really
so
missing him
how he has been managing, like your son is living
because
and far far
he.
away from you.
That's the reason he has three masis and he has one mamu. So he always loving him. He always caring him. He
Oh, great.
take go to park and some visiting places. So that's how he feel good. And he is also doing one of course abacus classes because
Okay,
uh,
Abacus.
hmm because over there it's too much near to my home, and if I
Mm-hmm.
want to do from Delhi, so it's too much far from my home. That's the reason he also understand I am doing something here. That's the reason. And at the same
Okay.
time he is also missing me. He always say,
Mm-hmm.
Mama, when will you coming?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
uh
Yeah. So you have any topic, anything to discuss, role play, anything?
Yes, yes. I have a really very interesting topic, and I hope we will enjoy during diving this conversation because, let's suppose you are my neighbor. My topic
Mm-hmm.
is a good neighbor become, or I can say, change into friendship. But
Mm-hmm.
now I don't know about you anything.
Okay.
Yeah, you are my neighbor, but I don't know because I'm busy at my home and I don't interrupt here and there. So
Mm-hmm.
that's the reason. So I go everyday park for walking purpose, exercise purpose. So
Mm-hmm.
you will meet there. Then we will
Okay,
become
okay. Then
friendship.
we'll ask
Okay.
questions.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
great, great.
So let's
Good, good, good.
start.
Yeah, right, right. So now we are assuming like we have met in the park area.
Yes, now as like we are just rounding the park by walking. So just
Yeah,
I
we are taking
see.
a stroll, and you just bumped into me. Like
Yes,
we
yes.
have just met, okay, and then we have to talk. Okay, so hello, how are you? I have seen you. You just live next to my door.
Hi.
You now.
Actually, I don't know about you. I think because I didn't see you here before. So are you new here?
Yes, we have shifted. I think couple of days ago, and 2 3 times I saw you, but I felt that you are quite homebody. You always stay at home, but I was thinking somewhere to just approach you to have a word with you, have a talk with you. So it's really so nice to meet you. And would you mind telling me about yourself a little bit, like what's your name and whatever, a little bit about your family and all?
All right. Yes, so my name is Suman and I live here just near the park. All right.
And I really like your dressing sense, and it's really commendable. So I really adore you. So would you like telling me something about you, about your family or anything?
Thank you so much. Compliment. Yes, I live here, I can say more than 20 years. So I know here each and everything. And So before shifted there, where have you lived?
Earlier we used to live in Gurugram. So now as we just shifted here, so like it took me a lot of efforts because shifting from one place to another place, meaning commuting. So it's such a daunting task, and it's really drudgery. It's a really difficult task, and yes, it just causes you a lot of tiredness, exertion. So this also happened with me. So for a few days, I had been on the rest, like I was taking rest because I did a lot of you can say physical work. So many work I did. So now, as I was living in my home, so I was feeling really lonely, kind of. And then I saw you one day, like you were doing something. So there, for the very first time, I saw you, and I found you really interesting. I thought, let me approach you, but at that time I was quite occupied. So, and today I just, as soon as I just saw you, I thought, let me approach you, let me ask you something like what you do and etc. So you tell me what you do and how do you just pass your time, like
Yes,
whatever, like to
definitely.
unwind yourself.
Definitely. So actually, I'm a teacher by profession. I teach from first to fifth standard students. So I really busy at my work. So that's the reason I don't go most of the time outside. So yeah, and what about
Oh,
you?
great,
Have
great.
you settled everything at your home or still something
It's
pending?
it's in progress. I would not say I am done with that. It's in process, and just because of exertion, I took rest, and like not everything I'm doing like so like how can I say, like I'm taking time because if it is really drudgery work, tiring job, so yes, we need to take rest, take a break, and that I'm doing. I'm taking that break, and other than this, whenever I get time and I feel like totally afresh, so then I again bounce back and do all the setting of the lot of stuff, let's say putting away the dishes, the utensils to the kitchen almirah and the rack, everything. So this I am to do. So it hasn't completed yet, and that for that I need to work on. I need to take out time, but still I am not done with that. I have to do it. Yeah.
Okay, all right. All right. So do you come park every day?
I have just started coming to park and just taking a stroll because it's really healthy for us, for our health. So I thought, okay, let me just take a stroll and let me just get mingled with the people as I'm quite new here. So yeah,
Yes, you
and
are
I'm really
absolutely right.
enjoying here. Hmm.
You are absolutely right. You know, when we come in the park, so we feel fresh and we feel, I think, whole day energetic. So,
Exactly, exactly.
wow, I can
Okay.
say I get a new friend because, you know, I come
Yeah, of
in the
course.
morning
Hmm.
at 5, so there is no one. So sometime I feel loneliness. But I can say from tomorrow you also come. So I enjoy while working as well.
Yeah, great, great. And I forgot to tell you my name as you haven't asked
Yeah,
so
actually,
far.
I also forgot to ask.
Yeah, so my name is Nutan, and uh, I am teacher by profession, and I'm blessed with two kids. So yeah, this is all about me. Thank you. Okay, so you tell me, what do you like to have anything in food? I'm talking about the food. Like, are you a foodie personality, or you are like a kind of picky, choosy, meaning not each and every item you are like bouncing upon that particular item. You are just a little bit picky, choosy, or you are totally foodie.
Actually, you know, I prefer to healthy food. I can't say I'm foodie kind of person, but I always prefer healthy food, and I love to eat every green vegetables. And
Oh,
I also
great.
love to eat like junk food, but sometime, not like every time.
Oh,
Okay,
great, great.
so
Yeah.
as you are new
Mhm.
here, if you need something, so please tell me, feel free. I always ready to help you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for this.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know what? There are so many advancement and benefits of being a nice and humble neighbor.
Hmm.
Once you have a humble neighbor, helping neighbor, so it's really good. good for you, because you will that time help your neighbor in any work. I would say it's not about materialistic, or just giving them money or something like, because that time it's not kind of getting along, because once there is money, so things can go wrong, might go wrong when it is all about money. So I'm not talking about money, I'm talking about wherever and whatever you have any kind of needs. So it is the neighbor, humble neighbor who can help you there. Let's say you have to go somewhere and that time you don't have any vehicle or something, there you can just ask for help, or somewhere you have got stranded, you have got stuck. So that time you can also, instead of calling any relatives living far far away, it is your, that neighbor living next to your door that can help you at the same time in such kind of adversity. Because yes, we need to get along with the neighbor, and we should be trying to become a humble and a nice neighbor who can help. So
Yes,
I
absolutely.
really believe in this.
Yeah, I also believe in this because uh, most of the time we stay with our neighbors, and if we get into any problems or if we need something in urgent, so first of all our neighbors can help. After that our relatives, or I can say our family member, those are far from there, far from
Yeah,
us.
right.
So we
Hmm.
should make with humble, we should talk with humble with our neighbors,
Yeah,
and we
exactly,
should
exactly.
like care about each other. So this is a fact I
Okay.
can say. Yes.
Yeah, on this note, I remember one thing. Like there are two incidents, at least two incidents that are coming just in my mind now.
Mm-hmm.
One was that I think 2 years ago it was the Karwa Chauth Vrat, which we observe fast for, like, for our husband, for our partner.
Okay.
So that day my husband went to, like, he was like out of the town. So
Mm-hmm.
it was only both of my kids and I. So that day I don't know what happened from the like morning time. I was not feeling well, and I don't know. It was kind of nausea, and yes, that time I just totally vomited 2 3 times back to back. I was not feeling well, and my family members, they live quite far away. Like, they live in, some of them live in Gurugram, and some of my relatives live in Delhi. So I was like, what to do? And my kids, they were just helping me. They were like, taking me to the washroom for the vomiting because
Mm-hmm.
I was not able to do so. I was not even able to stand up properly. I was feeling like I might faint. This was happening with me. So then my one of my kids, he just called his father and elaborated everything, that this is happening and mom is not feeling well and etc. So he could not come in just a moment, right? At that time, I needed one, you can say, the cure,
Mm-hmm.
healing, and I was not getting. I was not feeling well. I was like really feeling under the weather. So that time, I don't know what happened. It just came up in my mind. There is one number of one of my neighbors. Like, she's very like humble, a
Mm-hmm.
neighbor of mine, and I always call her Bhabi.
Mm-hmm.
So I called her. Then I said, "Okay, this is the thing," and both of my kids, they just reached home from the school. And that time it was happening, like
Oh
around
my
one
God.
thirty or something. Yeah, and I
Mm-hmm.
was not able to get into the kitchen and make something for both of my kids. Let's say chapati main, because vegetable I already prepared that time. I prepared. So I was like, what to do? So then I called to that Bhabi, and then I asked that this is the problem, and I'm suffering from this thing, and I'm not able to even stand up. So she was like, okay, wait, I'm coming. So in, I think, in just within 15 minutes, she just came up here at my home. She lives quite near to my home, just next to my door.
Next
So she just
street
came,
I can say.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
not street,
All
same
right.
street.
All right.
Yeah. So she just came up here, and not she just came up, she she just carried a few parathas, aloo parathas, with her.
For your
I
kid.
don't know. I didn't say, for my kids, I didn't say anything to her. Then both of my kids, they haven't had anything in the
Mm-hmm.
lunch. So I don't know what she thought, and she just brought, I think, 5 6 parathas she carried with herself, and she just served to my kids and sat with me. And you won't believe, I don't know what happened. As she sat with me, she didn't do anything. She was just sitting beside me and just talking and asking what happened and whatever it is. And I don't know, I was like feeling okay, okay. I started feeling okay, okay. And then things like such kind of things, nausea, everything just totally vanished. And I was feeling really free. I was feeling really relieved. I don't know what happened. Since morning, I had not been feeling well. Severe headache. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. It started from the severe headache, and then feeling like led to the nausea and the vomiting. So the thing was, as soon as she came up and sat with me and started talking and etc., and like kind of caressing my hair, caressing my hair like this way, and then everything was like okay. I would say everything was perfect that time. It was the picture perfect moment, and that bhabhi, she sat with me. So she was like, you can say, kind of family. She like behaved like a family, and her this gesture I really liked. I really appreciated that. Just because of you, now I'm feeling really well. And not only she helped me, she also served the food to my kids. So it
Hmm.
was such a nice gesture of her. I
Yes.
was really impressed.
Yes. I can say from this video, those are like, don't there are so many person, they don't want to uh, indulge with their neighbors, they don't want
Mhm.
to take any
They are
relations.
not helping nature.
They are yeah, they are not able, sorry, they are not helping nature, and as well as they don't want to talk each other. I'm not talking about everyone, just few, like few
Exactly.
personality like that. So I can say, if we are living with the kind nature, with helping nature, so it's a really very benefit for us. As like as you told your story, so here I would like to something more for my some point of view.
Mm-hmm.
Sometime what happened, sometime I have to go hospital with my mother-in-law. So sometime I got late, so yeah, I always called my neighbors, please bring my son today. So they always help to me. So I can say there are so many benefit. And when they bring my son, they keep my son, they give food, and they also
Mm-hmm.
provide everything whatever he wants to eat. So I can say there are so many benefit if we live with kind nature, with helping nature.
Exactly, exactly.
Mm-hmm. All
Because
right.
yes, we need to be
So,
really humble and helping nature of such a neighbor. Because
yes.
if you are really helping, nature wise, you are really helping, really caring,
Mm-hmm.
and it should be very, I can say, empathic. It should be really empathic that yes, I am this personality, and there should be one aspect that's called empathy. So we should showcase this empathy, this compassion to the people, because once you are living in this such society, so yes, we should try to help others,
Yes.
especially to the neighbors, if they
Hmm.
are also such kind of personality. Not because not each and every person is really, I can say, good, and their intention is really good or right. Not each and every person have such kind of, right things in their mind. Sometimes they have wrong intentions, and we never know, and we don't know what I can say wrong things might happen. So we should be really vigilant as well to treat others. But yes, we should accept and try to embrace this personality of being compassionate and showcase that empathy
Hmm.
emphatically. Right? Mm.
Right. You are absolutely right. And we should be also transparent with our neighbors and anyone, I can say. Don't show like outer side love. We should show, there is no need to show the love. Just we need to become transparent personality. I like it.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yes, and it starts from a small subtle smile while meeting to someone. It starts from the smile, because if you are rude, because if you are not smiling, you will sound really rude. So little smile
Hmm.
you must wear when it comes to meet anyone, whether you are meeting to someone for the very, as we met today with such a nice smile, such a jovial smile. So yeah,
Hmm.
we should be wearing that. And we would like, I would also like that we would be really, we would be really kind of great friend in future, in
Yes.
upcoming months and the days, right?
Yes,
So it was really
definitely.
nice meeting you.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also feel same likewise you. And okay, so now we will meet again next day at the same
Okay,
time.
okay.
All right?
Yeah, yeah, sure, we'll come.
Yeah.
And we'll
And
meet.
tomorrow you will ask me which market is better for shopping purpose or
Okay, you please let me know because I have to do a few shopping. Like I have to buy something, and it's quite like in the form of grocery, in the form of attire. So you let me know. So we'll go there, okay?
all right, all right. Okay, yeah, you want to go shopping. I really also want to go shopping. My husband's birthday around the corner. So I also love to
Hmm.
do shopping, so many things. So yeah, I can say it could be very interesting if you go with me because I
Yeah.
also want one companion because there is no one with whom I can go. So
Okay, okay. So we'll go there.
yes.
I'll message you and let's share our numbers and I'll message you and
Mhm.
then we'll meet.
Yes, definitely. Then you can ask me what would you like to purchase.
Yes, yes, of course.
Mhm.
Okay.
Just you ask me what will you want, what would you like to purchase?
Okay. I'm like it is I am to ask.
Hmm. Because you
Okay,
go with
okay.
me. Okay, first let
Okay.
me ask first. Okay, so what would you like to purchase so that can we can choose according to your required market?
First, I need to buy a few items from grocery, and other is like clothes, attire I need to buy. So you let me know, like if you just do it online or offline. If it is online, so let me know what suits me, the what kind of shops would be better for me, where you buy the clothes. So let me know
Actually,
that.
literally tell you, I want to prefer only offline shopping for, especially for clothes. And I love to purchase online only beauty product because we already know what is the texture about that particular product. So, and we
Hmm.
can also get offer in when we shopping something online, especially in
Yeah,
beauty
right.
product. But if come
Hmm.
to online shopping on for clothes, so I don't believe because when you purchase something online, so in display board or I can say on the screen we can see something different, but when we receive that particular uh, parcel, then we feel, then we open or feel or touch, we don't feel like that whatever we see or
Yeah,
saw,
right.
I can say saw in the phone. So I
Hmm.
prefer to offline, and I have to purchase so many things for my husband because I want to purchase one two dresses for him, and he also love to collect watch. So I also love
Okay.
to purchase watch for him, and one
Hmm.
item for jewelry, sorry, gold jewelry something.
Okay, great,
Yes.
great, great.
So we can
Wow.
go first of all offline. We can go market. Then if you are not getting anything else, then you can go offline.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. I would love to go with you. And so I'm getting late. I have to reach home and then prepare the food and everything. So let's meet some other day. And as we live just really close and it's there's like a proximity. So let's
Hmm.
meet some other day. And yes, I'll call you and you have to come over my place and then we'll have the lunch or dinner at your disposal, at your availability.
Yes, definitely. I will inform you whenever I
Okay.
will come. Yeah. Okay, so it was really amazing meeting, and I
Yeah,
hope
right.
we would be become good friends. And
Yeah, of course, of course. Yeah.
yeah, you are really such a nice person. I always thinking I wish I have a friend, and finally you meet. So I really happy.
Thank you. I'm also really glad meeting you. Thank you so much. And let's meet some other day. And yes, you will have to come at my home for the lunch or dinner, anything, whatever
Yes.
you like, at your like disposal, at in your availability, right?
Yes,
We'll match up the
definitely.
time and then we'll, yeah, I'll catch you later.
Yes,
Okay?
definitely. And you will also come to my home with your
Yeah, yeah, sure.
family, with your kid.
Ah, yes, yes. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, then bye
Oh,
bye. Take care.
okay, bye
We'll
bye.
meet
It was
soon.
amazing session. Thank you so much for
Yeah, thank you.
coming.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you. Bye bye. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo, okay, okay.